Hi, in this video I'll show you how to replace the paddles on the DualSense Edge controller and reveal their hidden secret, so watch until the end. In the box, we get metal paddles, both long and short. The short paddles are universal and can be mounted in either the left or right slot. They're magnetic, so you don't need any tools. The long paddles have dedicated slots. The RB paddle goes into the RB slot, and the LB paddle goes into the LB slot. The secret is that you can actually mount the paddles upside down, which changes their layout and might be more comfortable for you, even giving you a real advantage in some games. As you can see, swapping paddles is super easy, and it can completely change your comfort while gaming. If this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which paddles you prefer, short or long. Thanks for watching and see you next time.